Good evening viewers, this is Ali from Price Fashions, and today I'll be going to show you some semi linen, not pure. These are all semi linen with hand painting and some with katha, kalamkari and floral prints also. So let's start, and before I start I will request my viewers to please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon, so whenever you upload the videos you will get the notification. So this is the side number 1. It's a semi linen. So this is a Banarsi semi linen. So I'll just show you the border. So this is the upper border and this is the lower border, as you can see, and all over body there is a hand painted, and on it we have done a katha outline and fill up the design with multi stitches, and some French knot is there. So entire sari like this. So this is the pallu of the sari, and this is the all over look. Just have a look. This is the pallu. These are all very gorgeous look sarees in a pocket friendly price. The price of these sarees are 3,600 only. Just imagine Banarsi linen, semi linen with the hand painting and katha, only 3,600. We have a limited stock. We have only 2 pieces right now. So if you want to book, you can book it immediately. So this is the palla and all over body, and there is a blouse. So this is the blouse of the sari, 3,600. This is the side number 2. Again the same design and different combination. This is the combination with the green and yellow. So just have a look. I'll show you the closer view. So this is again an outline on hand painting filled up with the katha and multicolor French knot. So this is the pallu of the sari, and all over body like this. So this is all over look of the sari. Just have a look. It's very pretty. How it will look. So these are very party look sari, party wear saris. You can wear it any occasion, casual wear or party wear. So this is all over look. Hand painting with katha, French knot, with the Banarsi border, semi linen. Price of the sign, the blouse is green. So this is the blouse of the sari with border is there, 3,600. Now one more semi linen with a digital painting throughout the sari. It's a combination of, it's a pastel shade. The background is a pastel shade of what color should I say? It's a pastel froza and blue combination, blue and brown, shades of brown and blue. So there is no separate pallu, so entire sari like this. So this is the all over look of the sari. Just have a look. It's a very pretty and the color is so nice. And I'll show you the pallu. So we have done a zari outline with mirror work throughout the pallu. I'll show you the closer view. So this is the mirror work. It's all done by hand, and all over body there is a mirror work. Small mirror works throughout the sari. The material is so nice, very comfortable. The price of these saris are 3,600. Very pretty and very gorgeous looking in this price, and the fall is so good, as you can see. So this is the all over look of the sari. Both side border is there. It's a zari woven border both side. So this is the all over look of the sari, and there is a blouse. For blouse you have given a mirror work for sleeves. So this is the sleeves part. You can put it on the sleeves. So this is all over look, 3,600. Now kalamkari print. This is a digital print, no hand painting, and the price of these saris are 2,200 only. So just see the effect. It's like a real kalamkari, but it's a print. It's a digital print. So the pair of peacock on the pallu, and we have 4 colors in this. I will just show after this design. So on the skirt there is a peacock design on the skirt, and all over body there is a multicolor. It's very nice. The material is so good. So these are 2,200 only. Semi linen kalamkari, 2,200. Amazing sari. The fall is so good. So this is all over look. with the silk zari border, as you can see. It's a silk zari border both side, and pallu all over body. And there is a blouse is self printed, as you can see. There is a self printed blouse, 2200. Now royal blue. So we have 4 combination in the same design. So this is a royal blue pallu all over body, same design, or everything is same. The color, the background color is different, and floral color is also different. So this is very pretty one. So this is all over look. There is a pallu, and there is a self printed blouse. So this is the blouse of the sari, 2200. Now the emerald green sari, same design again, kalamkari. So this is the pallu of the sari, and all over body. This is all over body. So we are located in Globe Mall, shop number 102, Kolkata 87. And COD facilities available only in Kolkata. For other states, you have to do bank transfer. Google Pay, Phone Pay also accepted. So this is all over look of the sari. Please visit our store. We are open all day, even on Sunday, from 11:30 to 8. So this is the all over look of the sari. See the colors. All four colors are so nice, and there is a blouse. So this is a self-printed blouse. Now maroon color. So this is the maroon background. Very pretty one. So this is the pallu of the sari, and all over body like this. So this is all over look of the sari. See the pallu. I'll just show how it will look. So these are all in pocket friendly price. These are all 2200 only. So this is the all over look of the sari. Just have a look. This is the pallu. Amazing sari, amazing color combination, everything so nice. And this is the blouse printed. Now again semi linen with block printing. It's a semi tussar. Actually the feel, as you can see the texture, it's a semi tussar with the hand block discharge print. And just see the kantha. We have done some kantha work on the border and pallu. So this is the outline only, and the color is so, it's a kind of bagru print from Jaipur. So this is the pallu of the sari, and this is all over look. Just see the fall. It's a semi tussar, but as you can see the texture, it's a pure, it's giving a feeling of pure tussar. Just see the print. It's a very traditional hand block bagru print pallu, and the price of the sari is only 3000. Only 3000. So just see the fall. As you can see the fall of the sari, it's very soft. This is the fall of the sari. So this is the all over look of the sari, and this is the pallu. And there is a blouse. Just see the blouse. There is a border. Border is there for the sleeves, and printed blouse. Now this is a pure mulberry silk, and this is again a green with the Rani border is there. I'll just show you the closer view. So this is all done by hand. As you can see throughout the sari, it's a outline. I'll show you the closer view. So this is all over outline, all design outline. So this is a mulberry silk, and this sari is on discount price. The actual price is 4,500, but today is only 3,600. We have a last piece of this. The last piece. So this is the pallu of the sari, and it's a pure mulberry silk. This is pure mulberry silk, and this is the border. Just see the pallu. It's a very vibrant color pallu border there. This is all over look. I'll just show how it will look when you drape the sari. 3,600. This sari is only on discount price, 3,600. 3,600. So this is the all over look of the sari, and there is a blouse. It's a Rani color blouse with the border is there. So this is the blouse of the sari. 3,600. Now the last sari of this episode, it's a pashmina. So winter has come. So this is very good for winter. So this is again a hand block print. So this is the pallu of the sari. Just have a look. And all over body there is a gun spray. As you can see the effect of so many colors. It's a gun spray and with the broad border both side. This is the border. This is the pallu. How it will look. So the price of this saree is only 3,600. Block discharge print, the gun spray effect. So this is the all over look of the saree. Just have a look. This is the pallu. All over look. And there is the blouse. So this is the blouse of the saree. The price of this saree is only 3,600. 3,600, sir. So thank you so much for watching, and it's a request to my viewers and subscribers, please do share the video if you like our sari. And we are located in Globe Mall shop number 102. It's 7E Lindsay Street, New Market, Kolkata 87. We are open all day from 11:30 till 8 o'clock.